Welcome, my friends, to a new episode from English Plus Podcast. This is another episode from our series, The Story of Modern Business. In this episode, we're diving deep into the world of operations and supply chains, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment. What if the secret to running a successful business isn't doing more, but doing less? We'll uncover the power of lean management principles, explore why building a sustainable supply chain is now more than just a buzzword, and give you the tools to handle any unexpected crisis with expert risk management strategies. But that's not all. Ever wondered how digital tools can transform your inventory game? We'll reveal the secrets in embracing digital tools for efficient inventory management. And then we'll tackle the high-stakes world of just-in-time manufacturing, a strategy that's as thrilling as it is risky. If you're serious about leveling up your business game, stick around to the very end. And if you're itching to unlock the full episode along with all our back catalog, you can do that by becoming a premium subscriber on Apple Podcasts or Patreon. You can find the links in the description of the episode. Plus, there's a treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you at EnglishPlusPodcast.com, where you'll also find our shop with audio series for sale. So hit that subscribe button, visit the website, and join me, Danny, as we unpack all this and more in today's episode. We're going to start by talking about lean management principles for modern business. That's coming next. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. What if I told you that the secret to running a successful modern business wasn't about doing more, but about doing less? What if the key to staying competitive in today's fast-paced market was hidden in the art of eliminating waste, improving efficiency, and creating more value with fewer resources? This is the world of lean management, and it's a game changer for businesses that want to operate at their highest potential. Let's set the scene. Imagine you're running a manufacturing company. Orders are pouring in, and business is booming. But behind the scenes, things are less than perfect. There are delays in production, materials are being wasted, and your team is constantly putting out fires. Your gut tells you that there has to be a better way to run things, but you're not sure where to start. Enter lean management, a philosophy that could help you streamline operations, cut costs, and improve quality, all without sacrificing your team's sanity. Lean management, at its core, is about maximizing value while minimizing waste. It's a mindset, a way of thinking that asks one simple question: how can we do more with less? And while lean principles were born in the manufacturing world, famously pioneered by Toyota, they've since spread to industries as diverse as healthcare, software development, and even education. And let's dive into what lean management really means in practice. Now picture a factory floor. Workers are moving around, machines are humming. But there's a problem. Inventory is piling up. Parts are being produced faster than they're being assembled, leading to bottlenecks, wasted materials, and delays in shipping. This is exactly the kind of situation that lean management is designed to address. One of the core principles of lean management is the concept of flow. Imagine a river steadily moving from point A to point B without obstruction. That's how your business processes should work. Every step in your operation should flow smoothly into the next without delays, without waste, and without unnecessary steps. But how do you achieve that flow? By eliminating waste, or as lean practitioners call it, muda. There are 7 traditional types of waste in lean management: overproduction, waiting, transport, extra processing, inventory, motion, and defects. Each of these represents an inefficiency that eats into your time, resources, and profits. The goal of lean is to identify and reduce these wastes so that your processes run like a well-oiled machine. Let's take an example from the tech world. When Dropbox was first scaling its operations, they realized that their development processes were slowing them down. Teams were working in silos. Code was being written but not integrated quickly, and as a result, their software releases were delayed. By adopting lean principles, they were able to streamline their workflows, improve communication between teams, and reduce the time between code development and deployment. The result? Faster releases, fewer bugs, and a more agile company. But lean isn't just about efficiency, it's also about quality. One of the most important concepts in lean management is Kaizen, which translates to continuous improvement. The idea here is that perfection isn't a destination, it's a journey. Every process, every system, every product can always be improved. And that improvement doesn't come from top-down mandates. It comes from the people on the ground, the workers, the team members, the people who are closest to the process. They're the ones who know where the inefficiencies are. They're the ones who are empowered to make changes. Toyota, the birthplace of Lean, is a perfect example of how Kaizen works in practice. Every worker on the Toyota production line has the authority to stop the entire assembly line if they notice a defect or an issue. This isn't seen as a failure. It's seen as an opportunity to improve the process. By constantly focusing on quality and empowering employees to make changes, Toyota has been able to maintain its reputation for reliability and efficiency for decades. But lean management isn't just for big corporations. Small businesses, startups, and even solo entrepreneurs can benefit from lean principles. Let's say you're running a small e-commerce business out of your home. You're constantly running into issues with inventory management. You either have too much stock, tying up your cash flow, or too little, leading to missed sales opportunities. By applying lean principles, you could streamline your inventory process, order just what you need when you need it, and free up resources to invest in growing your business. Now, one of the most exciting things about lean management is that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's adaptable. Whether you're running a factory, a tech startup, or a service business, lean principles can be applied in a way that makes sense for your specific industry and challenges. It's about finding the waste in your processes, whether that's time, resources, or effort, and figuring out how to eliminate it. But here's the kicker. Lean management isn't just about cost cutting. It's about creating more value for your customers. By eliminating waste and improving efficiency, you're able to deliver a better product or service, faster and at a lower cost. And in today's competitive marketplace, that's what sets businesses apart. So what's the takeaway? Lean management is more than just a set of tools or techniques. It's about mindset. It's about constantly asking, how can we do better? It's about empowering your team to identify problems and fix them. And it's about creating a culture of continuous improvement that leads to greater efficiency, higher quality, and more satisfied customers. And here's my question for you. Are you ready to embrace lean management in your business? Are you prepared to take a hard look at your processes, eliminate waste, and create more value with fewer resources? Because in today's world, the businesses that thrive aren't the ones that do the most. They're the ones that do the most efficiently. What's your next move in applying lean management principles to your own operations? And now it's time to move on to the next topic in our episode today, the rising importance of sustainable supply chains. That's coming next. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. If you've been enjoying this episode so far and want to dive deeper into the full discussion, the rest of the episode is available exclusively for premium subscribers on Apple Podcasts and Patreon. By subscribing, you'll not only unlock this entire episode, but also get access to tons of premium content that will help you level up your English, expand your knowledge, and fuel your inspiration. So if you're ready to keep learning and explore the full conversation, head over to Apple Podcasts or Patreon and become a premium subscriber today. Don't miss out on the extra insights and valuable content that's waiting for you.